G'day everyone, it's Angelo Remora here. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo, and today I'm bringing you an absolutely awesome blog. I speak to so many investors on a daily basis, be it through Bigger Pockets or Facebook or just in general via email, phone call, whatever it may be. And a lot of the times folks ask me, Ange, how the hell do you buy all of your properties? Where do you find all of your deals? And I've actually seen this trending quite a bit on Bigger Pockets. So today I'm going to share with you the top 5 ways of how I and my companies find all of our deals and how that enabled me to buy on average around 100 properties a year, and to date I've been involved in over 400 deals. Before we get started, I need a favor from you guys. And what I really need you to do is I need you to check your pockets, okay? Look right now and tell me if there's a deal hiding in there. Now, jokes aside, guys, but honestly, when you're looking for property, you have to leave no stone unturned, okay? And the first thing that you need to do to find good deals is you need to network. Your network equals your net worth. So establish relationships with bird dogs and wholesalers that are local to your area. Explain your criteria to them and get them to slowly start sending you the deals that they have. Once you start to perform and once you start to prove yourself, I mean, these guys will absolutely flood you with inventory because you are a serious buyer, you're a qualified buyer, you're performing, and they only make money when you buy. So you can expect to receive a ton of deals from bird dogs and wholesalers. The second way to find great deals is via all of the auction websites. I'm going to give you a few as an example. Auction.com, Hubzu.com, HUDHomestore.com, HomeSearch.com. There are a few other websites that you can look at like Econo Homes, Castle Rock REO. A lot of these guys will have exclusive listings that you won't necessarily be able to find on the MLS, and you most likely will be able to secure them at a discount to the MLS and other means just because it's a little bit of a process. It's a hassle to join the platform, to give them all of your details. You've got to put your credit card down. So you do have to jump through a few hoops. Don't get me wrong, it's not going to be easy, but we buy quite a lot of properties from some of these online platforms, and it's a tool that we have used to, buy 100 properties a year. The third way that you can find some great deals, believe it or not, it's Craigslist. Now, before you start looking for deals on Craigslist, guys, you need to educate yourself on a particular area. So you need to know the numbers in that area inside and out. I mean, I need to be able to wake you up at 3 a.m., tell you an address, tell you the price, tell you the condition, and you need to be able to pull the trigger right there and then to know if it's a good deal. In 2014, I bought 34 properties just off of Craigslist. I was very quick to react when I saw the opportunity. I knew the numbers in that area. I saw the deal. I knew the price. I was good at negotiating. I had the cash right there and then to wave that carrot or that green piece of paper in front of the seller's eyes where I could commit them to sell me the property. So in 2014, I bought 34 properties off Craigslist. You have to stalk Craigslist every single day. I mean, log in 2 or 3 times a day, see what is out there, and be very quick to jump on the phone. The fourth way to find great deals is the good old MLS. Now, I'm not going to tell you what in my eyes the MLS actually stands for because it's quite rude, but I can tell you this, guys, the more mud you throw on the wall, eventually some will stick. To this day, we offer on tens of properties on the MLS every single day, and eventually we pick up the odd deal here and there. Whenever a realtor comes back to me and says highest and best, I always tell them I wish the highest bidder all the best. So make sure that you don't get into any bidding wars. Do not bid against yourself. That is the most stupidest thing you can do. I mean, there's always going to be another deal around the corner. There's opportunities everywhere, guys. So the MLS should only serve you as another platform where you're throwing mud on the wall and you're hopefully going to get some of it to stick where you pick up the odd property here and there, but you really won't find the best deals on the MLS. And the last one, which is the best one, is yellow letter direct mail campaigns. So I send out around 5,000 yellow letters every single month. We like to target absentee homeowners in our target zip codes. We get around 300 to 500 callbacks, out of which we only buy 1 or 2 properties. So our conversion rate isn't that great, but my business model is very rigorous and I just can't buy every property for the purpose of buying it. I also don't wholesale them, so a lot of the numbers in those leads do not meet our criteria. Now, granted, over the coming months, it still allows me to buy another 2 or 3 properties as we continue working those leads and as we continue following up with those sellers. The 2 lists, in my opinion, that you need to heavily focus on when you are doing yellow letter marketing is number 1, an absentee homeowner list, and the further back that you can go of those absentee homeowners actually buying that property, the better. So for example, it's 2017 today. If you can get absentee homeowner lists of folks that have bought before 2010, those lists are gold. Your phone will be blowing up because the likelihood of those folks wanting to sell their homes is super high. So the second list that you need to focus on is folks living in their homes for over 20 years. Why? It's because they're most likely sick and tired of the cold, and particularly in some of the colder climates in the US. They want to sell, they want to retire, and they want to move to Florida, right? Now, even if they don't want to move to Florida, the likelihood of them wanting to downsize into something smaller that has lower maintenance is also high. So you're just going to get the best response for those types of folks, along with the absentee homeowners. So guys, out of all of the things that I've mentioned, in my opinion, yellow letter campaigns are by far the best time and money spent. You are going to get some absolutely amazing deals if you know how to structure it well. I mean, I've been buying properties for 10 to 20 cents on the dollar over the last 4 years. Now, keep in mind that when you are doing yellow letter campaigns, it requires the most of your work, unlike some of the other platforms that I mentioned. So, like with anything, guys, without hard work, nothing's gonna happen. It's not gonna get given to you, so you have to put in the effort before you can reap the reward. So that pretty much concludes our blog for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would absolutely love to hear from you guys about some of the strategies that you're implementing for all of your acquisitions. If you are by any chance selling anything in Ohio, I would love to speak to you because I'm a buyer, I always am. If I can help you in any other way, guys, please comment below, share some of your strategies, share some of the other online platforms that you have been utilizing to buy all of your properties. Ask me any questions, I'm more than happy to help. And that's pretty much it. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you once again. I'm Angelo Remora. I'm your favorite Australian and the real estate dingo. You guys have a great day.